Show me how much you love me. Maybe we look on the girl them. Look how them wine and a guan. And the way how you wine and Mawaya be my baby mama. We look on the girl them. Look how them wine and a guan. And the way how you wine and Mawaya be my baby mama. Then look how the girl them sexy with the something mommy. Her we can't manage me, so she send for a shorty. A short girl. Wind up your body for me. Me lady, me baby. Show me how much you love me. Me lady, me baby. Me know you need love in your system. Me baby, me baby. Me know you need love in your arm. Me baby, me baby. Wind up me. Oh, like your smile so bright, bright. Your walk so tight, tight. She rock by me love her. She rock by me love her. Like rubber didn't get rubber. She broke out so she get she out. She real on the girl them. Love how them wine and a guan. And we how you wine and Mawaya be my baby mama. She real on the girl them. Love how them wine and a guan. And we how you wine and Mawaya. Me lady, me baby. Know you need love in your system. Me lady, me baby. Me know you need love in your heart. Me hear the girl them say, oh yeah. Here. Blessed love, you know, give thanks for all good things, you know, like 100% talent, vote, Pella, P-E-Ella, P-E-L. Alright, hold on.
Yo, the way the man step out, man, that thick up, you know Mercedes? Yo, the man step out, yo, I hear so, console, there you upgrade console, upstage performance, like the delivery. Do what you have to do, all the things. You see that track away playing last, get it clean up. Because I remember it's a official platform here, you know what I mean? So get it clean up right away. Then come back quick in a while. What you name? Top pop star?
Pella.
No, I know you name Pella. Pop star, I just you know for this to pop star and the next one this perform before. I said this is what we're talking about. So bring your A game man. You know what I mean? Thank you very much. God is good.
I spoke earlier about the first contestant about image. The dark glass work. As to the image, tonight, I'd probably say you win. I hear this song playing on the radio. It have a ring. The punchlines are very good. And I'm not a dancer type of person. But I hear me and sing the wind up your body. It have a ring. Them say it have a buzz. Yeah, it have something. Yeah.
That one name Survivor. Everybody don't have a story. Just have to go and pushing up. Yeah? Them don't know the pain when my friend hold my head up high under the feet. 'Cause I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. If you're a survivor, born as a fire. We're got Manashiko. Oh, hold the faith. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. If you're a survivor, born as a fighter, them don't know the pain when I feel. God knows that the struggle is real. Them try to put me under them feet. Hold my head up high under the feet. 'Cause I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. And that's on a big up on yourself and on the vote for my contestant number 2.
Momo, contestant number 2, 100% talent Jamaica season 3. Will she make it to the grand finals?
What them trouble you for? No, you're talking the truth. I hear you sing this song with passion. And you can know people who write songs are for reality, and that is what the music is. And I mean, music is not fairy tale, and I mean, music is something that you're supposed to can listen, and it's either you can relate to it. And I mean, I tell you, say, this song, continue doing what you're doing, believe in yourself. I like your vocals. I like how you hold the key, like you have the continue the clearance. Go on with yourself, girl. What I eat and go on, yeah?
When a girl step out and sing a song and talk about survive, we know what you're talking about straight. When a kid never itch or go around the corner or go like we don't know what you're talking about, we know what surviving mean. You understand? And a girl like you will come out and survive. Trust me, my girl, them are got tired for suing. Survive. You hear what I'm saying?
You have presence. I felt it, you gave me chills. I hear you singing from the bottom of your belly. Me hear every note ring. I like the range. I like the dynamics. And it is evident that you rehearse. And it is a very good song. Very good energy. And you're a real survivor. Big up yourself.
So yeah, something that you know you rehearse and all of that. What I would say to you though, I would love to hear more lyrics because it's